cars, so maybe I'll move so I'm not in front of them.
Oh, how pretty.
Maybe when we get home, I'll set off a few of those little things.
Well, I don't know if we can, because she has fireworks, but I don't know if it's legal.
If they come, they know
I have
all
the
the
little
policemen.
ones.
Oh, okay. No,
They're not
And
super big or
one of the
anything.
police, the one that Eric was the one Angie dated for a few years.
Oh, fun.
okay.
They're not gonna. They'll just come over and say, "Hey, don't do it anymore."
Oh,
Yeah, I have little sparklers and stuff the
They
kids
won't-
might
they
like.
won't,
So.
yeah.
I mean, it's not anything super huge.
It's
It's gonna like
it's
shoot
a small
sky.
town. Everybody knows everybody.
Oh, good.
That sounds wonderful.
Huh?
That sounds wonderful.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Believe me, it
Nothing like
isn't.
Dallas. Dallas, you walk around. Who are you? Random stranger.
Believe me, it's nice in a way, but it's